Hello everybody. So we are going to start with effective number of lattice points Now please visualize it. Once again I am saying visualize it. You were in whichever room you are there, you are not with me since you are in other rooms, so you just visualize that particular room. You just see that this particular room is the unit cell and this is cubic. This particular room is the unit cell. This is cubic. Okay. Now if it is cubic and the lattice points you consider as spheres. Okay. Lattice points are present at the corner. Of the room. Please visualize it. Again I am saying visualize it. If I say just tell, and if I say you to mug up, which most of the teachers do, I am not going to do that. You think now the rooms, this is only one room. Just think of the Rubik cube just like that. You are in one room and there are other rooms also in every side. This side also there, this side also there. Upar mein bhi hai, niche mein bhi hai, piche mein bhi hai. Har jagah mein rooms hai. This is just one unit. Like that, different units are there in all three directions. Okay, fine. Now you just imagine that this sphere that is present in the corner, of the room, with how many rooms this particular sphere is shared. Just imagine that. With how many rooms this particular sphere is shared. Just think of that. And let me know that we can visualize or not. Just visualize, this is the center of the sphere, the corner is the center of the sphere. There is a sphere, big sphere, okay, which is present in how many rooms? हमारा दाएं भी रूम है, बाएं भी रूम है, ऊपर भी रूम है, नीचे भी रूम है, हर तरफ, चारों तरफ रूम है. Okay, now with how many rooms it will be shared? Just imagine. Just visualize. This is one room. This is one room. These are four rooms in the ground floor. Where you are there. Okay. Just on top of that another four room is there. And we are considering the sphere here. So this sphere is contributing to how many rooms? Is it contributing to 8 rooms? Just imagine, just visualize. Is it contributing to 8 rooms? One this, one just behind me, one behind that other one, and above these four, all four are there. Above these four, all rooms are there. Yes or not, you tell me. Did you visualize that or not? Yes or not? Tell me that. Did you visualize that? That it is present in how many rooms? Is it present in 8 rooms? Did you understand that? If we take a sphere at the corner, will it be shared between 8 rooms? Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, is it clear? So how much share my room is getting? How much share of the sphere my room is getting? The total sphere is shared between 8 rooms. Okay, so how much share my room is getting? It's only getting 1/8 share. Yes. Okay, so that's the effective number. Of a lattice point in a unit cell present in the corner. So in one unit cell, effectively, though you told for simple cubic cell there are 8 in the 8 corners, fine, but 8 in 8 corners are there, that they are not contributing the whole to this particular unit cell. How much of them are contributed? Each is contributing only 1/8 of it, right? If they are present at the corner, only 1/8 of it. and that is what is known as effective number. Effectively, how much is there in this room? Only 1/8 is given by one lattice point. Okay, present at the corner. Fine. Now, corner wala ho gaya. Now think of the one which is present in the face, center of the face. This is one face. Okay, and center of the face one is there. Just two-dimensionally you should not think. You just think of your room again. Take one wall, any wall you can consider. Okay, and at the center of the sphere, center of the wall, center of the wall, center of the side of the wall, one sphere is there. One sphere is there. That sphere will be divided between how many rooms? Tell me first. That sphere will be divided between how many rooms? Yes, it's between two rooms only, this room and that room. Nothing else. Suppose it's in this wall, means it is half is in this room and half is will be in the other room. So it is divided in two rooms only. So how much of that sphere is got or received or is effectively we are getting? We are getting only half of it. Yes. So if it is in face, so what I said, if it is in corner, we are getting 1/8 here. Clear? 1/8 is the effective number. If it is in the face, I mean, or center of the face, we are getting half. We are getting half of its share. I hope you understood that. We are getting half of its share. Okay. And if it is at the center of the room, is it being shared by anyone? If it is at the center of the room, is it being shared by anyone?
No, sir.
No. So what is the effective number in this case? For the center of the lattice point, center of the unit cell, it is not shared by anyone, so the effective number is 1. The whole is mine only. I am not sharing with anyone. Whole is mine. Yes. Did you get it? Did you understand that or not? Did you visualize that or not? That is more important. I could have told it I could have finished it just by telling that 1/8 is given by this, half is given by this, 1 is given by this. But now you visualize, you are not going to forget. There is no question of forgetting. If you can visualize, you can always think that. Okay? That if something is at the corner, some lattice point is at the corner, the unit cell is getting just 1/8 of its share. If the lattice point is present in the center of the face, the unit cell is getting half of its share. If the lattice point is present at the center of the body, the unit cell is getting full share of it. Okay. Now we are going to find out the effective number of lattice point present in the unit cell. Next heading, effective. So effective number of समझ गया. Now effective number of lattice points present in the unit cell. See, it's very, very simple. Effective number of the lattice points present in the unit cell. First we are going to do it, obviously we are going to do it for 3 only, and you can tell me the other one. Simple cubic unit cell. The first one, simple cubic unit cell. What is simple cubic unit cell? First you tell me, what is simple cubic unit cell? सिंपल क्यूबिक यूनिट सेल में लैटिस पॉइंट्स कहाँ पे होता है? अभी देखा हम लोगों ने. सिंपल क्यूबिक यूनिट सेल में लैटिस पॉइंट्स कहाँ पे होता है? बताओ. At the corners. Only at the corners. How many corners are there? Yes, 8 corners are there. And each is contributing how many to this unit cell? Each is contributing how many to this unit cell? 1/8. So 1/8 is contributed by each, and total 8 of them are there. Okay, total 8 of them are there. So total number of lattice points effectively present in simple cubic unit cell is nothing but 1, right? Only if you just calculate the total number of lattice points present in one unit cell for a simple cubic unit cell, it is nothing but 1, though apparently it looks like 8, but it is not 8. Why not 8? I hope you understood that. Because the corner one is not completely of this unit cell, that is distributed in 8 unit cells. Okay, so only 1/8 share each unit cell is getting. So 1/8 into 8, right? That is for simple cubic. For FCC, face centered cubic unit cell, What is the positions of the lattice points for the face-centered cubic unit cell? You tell me. First, you tell me what is the position of the face-centered cubic unit cell?
So the 8 corners and the middle of the walls.
Center of the faces.
Sir.
Center of the faces.
Six.
At the 8 corners.
Of the 6 faces.
Yeah, center of the 6 faces. In the 8 corners and in the center of the 6 faces. So 8 corners, each is giving 1 8 into 8. Yes. Plus 6 of them are there. 6 of them are there in the face. And how many each is giving? Each is sharing half. Face wala how much is sharing? We know it. Half it is sharing. Yes. So what is the total number of the lattice point? It will be 4. 1 plus 3, that is 4. So effective number for the FCC, effective number of lattice points for the FCC unit cell is how much? 4. Yes. Tell me the effective number for BCC. BCC. What is BCC? You tell me. What is BCC? 8 are at 8 corners and 1 is present at the center of the body, right? 8 are at 8 corners and 1 is present at the center of the body. Yes, 8 are at 8 corners means again 1 by 8 into 8, okay? Plus the one which is present in the center of the body means it is giving us the whole 1, okay? So what is effectively it is present how much? 1 plus 1, that is 2. Yes, 2 is the effective number for the BCC. You tell me about end centered and edge centered. चलो फटाफट अपने आप सोचो and बताओ मेरे को. End centered and edge centered. Edge centered पहले बताओ. पहले बताओ पहले बताओ end centered. End centered means what? 8 corners, 8 are there,
8 corners
and yes, 8 corners, 8 are there, and 2 are in the opposite faces, right? 2 are in the
Yes, sir.
opposite faces. Tell me, so 8 corners, 8 are there means how much? 1 8 into 8. हो गया, okay, plus 2 in the opposite faces, only 2 now, not in 6 faces, only in 2 faces. So 2 into how much? Half. Face means half, okay, so that is equal to how much? 1 plus 1, that is 2. So effective number for the end centered is also 2. Yes, edge centered. Now think of edge, think of edge, think of this corner, think of this corner. यहाँ पे है, this is the face of the room and यहाँ पे एक ठो, यहाँ पे है ना center of the edge, यहाँ पे एक ठो sphere है. Now this sphere is divided among how many rooms? This room, the next room, yes, इसका ऊपर वाला और उसका ऊपर वाला, 4 रूम में डिवाइड है ये. Did you understand that? Yes or not? So it is divided in this room, the next room, इसका ऊपर वाला रूम, ये ऊपर वाला रूम और उसका ऊपर वाला रूम. Okay? Yes. So it is divided among 4 rooms. Means how much share it is getting? It is getting 1/4 share. 1/4 share it is getting. So what is the effective number of edge center? 8 corner में 8 है, 1 by 8 into 8 plus how many edges are there? 12 edges are there. 12 into how much? 1/4 it is getting. 12 into 1/4. So that is equal to how much? 1 plus 3 again. So that is equal to 4. So effective number for this particular case is also 4. So did you understand the effective number? You tell me that first. Did you understand it or not? The effective number of the lattice points, effective number of the lattice points in the unit cell. अगर lattice point corner में present होगा तो the effective number, effectively it is contributing to the unit cell is 1 by 8. I hope you could visualize it. If it is present at the center of the face, effectively half is present. If it is present in the center of the body, effectively the whole is there. Okay. If it is present at the center of the edge, if it is present at the center of the edge, effectively it is 1 by 4 is there. Yes or not? Did you understand that or not? You tell me that first. And along with, by this particular concept, we can find out the effective number of the lattice points present in any cubic unit cell. कोई भी आपको बोल देगा, अगर बोलेगा आपको, ऐसे बोलेगा आपको कि what is the effective number of lattice points present in a unit cell where the lattice points are present in 8 corners and 4 faces. अगर आपको पूछेगा 8 corners and 4 faces, तो कितना होगा 8 corners मतलब 1/8 into 8. 4 faces means 1/4 into 4 into 1/2. Yes. So effectively how much it is? 4 into 1/2 means 2 plus 1/8 into 8 is 1. So 2 plus 1, that is 3. Anything that is given, because you know that where it is present and how much it is sharing. Okay. So please join the next meeting.